Have you ever felt trapped by financial insecurity, yearning for a life of abundance? Have you ever wondered if there's a secret to achieving financial freedom? Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful tool that can transform your life: the power of your words. You see, our words have the ability to shape our reality. They can attract wealth, abundance, and success. By learning to speak correctly, you can unlock the hidden potential within you and manifest your dreams. In this video, we'll explore how your words can be your greatest asset. We'll discover the science behind manifestation and learn practical techniques to improve your speaking skills. Get ready to go on a journey of self-discovery and financial empowerment. Imagine a world where your thoughts and words hold the power to shape your reality. This isn't a fantasy, it's a principle deeply rooted in the law of attraction. This law states that what you think and believe, you attract into your life. And your words are a direct reflection of your thoughts. When you speak positively, you're sending out vibrations of abundance, happiness, and success. These vibrations attract similar energies into your life. Conversely, negative words and thoughts can create a barrier to your desires. Consider the power of a simple affirmation. An affirmation is a positive statement that you repeat to yourself to reprogram your subconscious mind. For example, you could say, "I am a magnet for wealth and abundance." By repeating this affirmation daily, you're reinforcing the belief that financial prosperity is coming your way. But it's not just about affirmations. The words you use in your everyday conversations can also have a profound impact on your life. When you speak negatively, such as complaining or criticizing, you're creating a negative energy field around yourself. This can repel opportunities and create obstacles. On the other hand, when you speak positively, you're creating a positive energy field that attracts good things into your life. You'll find that people are more drawn to you, opportunities seem to fall into your lap, and you feel more confident and optimistic. Science also supports the idea that our thoughts and words can influence our reality. Studies have shown that positive thinking can boost our immune system, reduce stress, and improve our overall well-being. Research has found that our brains can physically change in response to our thoughts and beliefs. So, the next time you find yourself speaking negatively, pause and consider the impact of your words. Instead of focusing on what's wrong, try to find something positive to say. Practice using positive affirmations and visualize your desires becoming a reality. Your words are powerful tools that can shape your life. By choosing your words wisely, you can attract abundance, happiness, and success into your reality. In addition to positive thinking and affirmations, clear and confident communication plays a vital role in attracting abundance into your life. When you speak clearly and articulately, you project an image of confidence and competence. This can have a profound impact on your personal and professional relationships. Effective communication can also boost your self-esteem. When you feel good about your speaking skills, you're more likely to believe in yourself and your abilities. This confidence can translate into success in all areas of your life. To improve your speaking skills, focus on the following areas. Pronunciation: practice pronouncing words correctly and clearly. Pay attention to vowels, consonants, and intonation. Vocabulary: expand your vocabulary by reading, listening to podcasts, and learning new words. Enunciation: speak slowly and clearly, enunciating each word. Avoid mumbling or slurring your speech. Body language: use positive body language, such as maintaining eye contact, smiling, and using open gestures. Practice: the more you practice speaking, the better you'll become. Join a public speaking club or practice giving presentations to friends and family. By improving your speaking skills, you'll be better equipped to communicate your desires clearly and confidently. This will help you attract the abundance you deserve. Positive affirmations are powerful tools for reprogramming your subconscious mind. They are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce your beliefs and desires. When you repeat positive affirmations, you're sending a message to your subconscious mind that your desires are possible. This can help you overcome limiting beliefs and attract abundance into your life. Here are some examples of positive affirmations related to wealth, abundance, and financial success. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. I am financially successful and prosperous. I am worthy of abundance and prosperity. I am attracting abundance into my life effortlessly. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. To create effective affirmations, make sure they are positive, present tense, and personal. Avoid using negative words or phrases. When reciting affirmations, it's important to visualize your desired outcome. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already experiencing the abundance you desire. This will help you reinforce your beliefs and attract your goals into your reality. By incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine, you can reprogram your subconscious mind and attract abundance into your life. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you manifest your desires. It involves creating vivid mental images of your goals and visualizing them as already accomplished. When you visualize your goals, you're sending a message to your subconscious mind that your desires are possible. This can help you attract the abundance you desire into your life. To create effective visualizations, follow these tips. Choose a quiet environment, find a peaceful place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, this will help you focus your attention on your visualization. Create a vivid image, use all of your senses to create a detailed mental picture of your desired outcome. Feel the emotions, imagine how you'll feel when your goal is achieved. Practice regularly, the more you practice visualization, the more effective it will become. Let's take a moment to practice a guided visualization focused on financial abundance. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and relax your body. Imagine yourself in a beautiful, peaceful setting, such as a beach or a garden. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze blowing through your hair. Now, visualize yourself surrounded by abundance. Imagine having more money than you could ever spend. Picture yourself living in a luxurious home, driving a dream car, and enjoying your favorite hobbies. Feel the joy and gratitude that comes with abundance. Believe that this is your reality now. Take a few more deep breaths and let go of any doubts or fears. Know that you are worthy of abundance and that it is coming your way. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to the present moment. On your journey to manifesting wealth, you may encounter challenges and doubts. It's important to be prepared to overcome these obstacles and stay focused on your goals. Here are some common challenges people face when trying to manifest wealth. Negative beliefs, limiting beliefs about money and abundance can hold you back. Fear of failure, fear of not achieving your goals can prevent you from taking action. Lack of patience, it may take time to manifest your desires. Self-doubt, doubting your ability to achieve your goals can hinder your progress. To overcome these challenges, it's important to challenge negative beliefs, identify any negative beliefs you have about money and replace them with positive affirmations. Face your fears, acknowledge your fears and take steps to overcome them. Be patient, trust that your desires are on their way. Believe in yourself, have faith in your ability to achieve your goals. Persistence is key. Don't give up on your dreams, even if it takes longer than you expected. Keep practicing positive affirmations, visualizing your desires, and taking inspired action. With perseverance, you can overcome any obstacles and achieve your financial goals. While positive thinking, affirmations, and visualization are powerful tools, they are not enough on their own. To truly manifest your desires, you must also take inspired action. Inspired action is aligned with your highest good and is guided by your intuition. It is not about forcing things to happen, but rather allowing the universe to conspire in your favor. To take inspired action, start by setting clear and specific goals. What do you want to achieve? Write down your goals in detail, including the desired outcome, timeline, and steps involved. Once you have defined your goals, create a plan to achieve them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. This will make your journey seem less overwhelming and help you stay focused. As you work towards your goals, trust your intuition. Pay attention to the signs and synchronicities that appear in your life. These are messages from the universe guiding you towards your desires. It's important to stay motivated throughout your journey. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. When you encounter setbacks, don't give up. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. The journey to manifesting your desires is not always linear. There may be ups and downs along the way. But by staying focused, taking inspired action, and believing in yourself, you can overcome any obstacles and achieve your goals. Believe in the power of your thoughts, words, and actions. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Take inspired action and watch your dreams become a reality. Gratitude is a powerful force that can transform your life. When you focus on the good things in your life, you create a positive energy field that attracts more abundance. Gratitude can help you shift your perspective from lack to abundance. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you do have. This will help you appreciate the blessings in your life and attract more of them. There are many ways to practice gratitude. Here are a few suggestions. Gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This will help you focus on the positive aspects of your life. Gratitude meditation. Take a few minutes each day to focus on the things you are grateful for. Visualize yourself surrounded by abundance and gratitude. Express gratitude. Tell people how much you appreciate them. A simple thank you can go a long way in spreading positivity. By practicing gratitude, you can create a more positive and fulfilling life. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can help you attract abundance and happiness into your reality. In this video, we've explored the powerful connection between your words and your reality. We've learned how positive thinking, affirmations, visualization, and effective communication can attract abundance into your life. Your words have the power to shape your reality. By choosing your words wisely, you can create a more positive and prosperous life. Take the time to practice the techniques and principles shared in this video. Set clear goals, visualize your desires, and take inspired action. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your dreams. The power of abundance is within you. Like this video and subscribe for more inspiring content.